absence procedures. All teachers have them, few students remember them. We've all heard the question, did we do anything yesterday? So what if, instead of telling students the procedure over and over again, we let them practice it? I'm James from Genially. This week, we're turning an absence procedures handout into a branching story that puts students in charge of what happens next. Before, students get a page explaining where to find missed work, how to get help, and where to turn everything in. Useful? Yes. Memorable? Let's not get carried away. Time to genialize that. With AI Builder, those same steps became, you were absent, now what? A branching story that drops students right into the problem. They walk into class after missing a day. Everyone else seems to know what's happening. Now they have to decide what to do first. Make a strong choice and keep moving. Take a shortcut and experience the consequence. There's no giant red X. The feedback shows students why one decision works better than another, and then the story continues. I'm only showing you the first decision here. The complete scenario takes students through the rest of the process. Same information, better job for the learner. Instead of reading the procedure, students rehearse it. And I built the whole thing in about 5 minutes. Want to see exactly how I built it? Join me Tuesday, August 25th for From Handout to Hands-On, the 5-minute Genially Hack. Check the caption to save your spot. While you're at it, follow me, Genially James, and the official Genially accounts for more ways to genialize your content. See you next time.